Good morning, students. We have started already this next one chapter in your second semester syllabus, triangles and their properties. Triangles means triangle is a closed figure made by joining three non-collinear points by line segments, and vertices, sides and angles are the parts of a triangle. Then see in your textbook page number 77. In the figure alongside some points and some line segments joining them have been drawn. Which of these figure is a triangle? First one, because it is a closed figure. Triangle ABC has three sides. Line segment AB is one side. Write the names of other two sides BC and AC. And triangle ABC has three angles. Angle ABC is one of them. Write the names of other two angles. Angle ABC, BAC and CAB. Points A, B, C are called the vertices of that triangle. Then types of triangle based on sides. Already we have studied this. Types of triangle based on sides. Three types: equilateral, isosceles and scalene triangle. Equilateral means a triangle having all sides are equal. In isosceles triangle only two sides are equal, and in scalene triangle all sides are different. Then you see here in your textbook page number 77, in this triangle ABC, you measure first upon AB, BC, also AC you measure here and write the answers. Scale. You measure this AB. Suppose this AB is 3 centimeter. Then AC also 3 centimeter. BC also 3 centimeter. Then in triangle PQ, suppose this 4 centimeter. This also 4 centimeter. And QR different. This 3 centimeter. Means in this here two sides equal. Then one side is different. You measure this length with scale. Then in triangle XY is different, YZ is different, and YZ also different. Means this scale in triangle. Then next one, see page number 78. See this picture. Types of triangles based on angles. First one, acute angled triangle. In triangle DEF, all three angles are acute angles. You measure this angle D, which degree, E also measure and F also measure, and you write here. Then in second one, see in triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree, angle P and R acute angles. Then you see here one angle is right angle and two angles are acute angles, means this right angled triangle. Then in third one, see angle M, this obtuse angle, and L and N are, these two are the acute angles, means one angle is an obtuse angle and two are acute angle, means this obtuse angled triangle. See page number 79. The sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the measures of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. These properties of triangle. Then see here, draw any triangle on a paper. Name its vertices ABC. Measure the lengths of three sides using a divider and a scale and enter them in the table. Length of side. You draw here any triangle of this ABC. Then you count here AB. How many centimeter? BC, AC. Then AB plus BC is equal to how many centimeter? AC also you count and write here. Then the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. The sum of the lengths of the any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the lengths of this third side. This also properties of triangle. Then practice set 36. Practice set 36. In this chapter only one practice set. See first one. Observe the figures below and write the types of triangles and on its angles. First one, see, in triangle PQR, one angle is right angle Q, therefore it is an right angle triangle. Then in homework you write here, triangle PQR is right angled triangle. Then second one, see here one angle is obtuse angle, then this is triangle XYZ obtuse angled triangle. Then third one, see LMN. All angles are acute angles, therefore third LMN is acute angled triangle. Then second one, see, observe the figures below and write the type of the triangle based on its sides. Then first figure you see, in triangle ABC, all sides equal, therefore triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. In second one, see, triangle DEF, only in triangle DEF three sides different, therefore this triangle DEF scaling triangle. Then last one, see, UVW, in this triangle two sides equal, here given two sides equal, therefore this triangle is isosceles triangle. Then third one question you see, as shown in the figure, Avinash is standing near his house. He can choose from these two roads to the school. Which way is shorter? Explain why. See here school and here house. And this Avinash is standing near his house and he can choose from these two roads to go to school. These two roads, AC road and AB and again BC road. Then third one, in homework you complete this one by one. Question also write, figure also you draw, write below answers. Here giving only third one, directly answer you see here. As shown in the figure, Avinash is standing here. This figure you see here. Here A, B, C, and Avinash is standing here. Here Avinash, and here house, and here school. Then this, see here, this distance and this distance is here. Here, this shorter distance. Why? Road AC is shorter. Right here answer. Road AC is shorter. By the property of a triangle, means here AB plus BC. AB plus BC is greater than this, smaller than this AC. Therefore, AC is less than AB and BC. See, here two roads, AB and BC, but here only one road, AC. Therefore, AC, this is a shorter road to go to the school. Then in homework you complete this first, second and third question. Then remaining this fourth one and fifth one. Again two questions remain. Then tomorrow we will study. Okay. Bye.